If you've ever dreamed of combining luxury beachfront living with the energy of rock and roll, the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya might just be calling your name. This sprawling resort sits along Mexico's stunning Caribbean coastline, about 72 kilometers south of Cancun, where turquoise waters meet white sand beaches. The property opened its doors in May 2014 after a complete 14-month transformation of what used to be the Aventura Spa Palace, and the Hard Rock brand brought its signature music-themed experience to this tropical paradise. Located in Quintana Roo's Riviera Maya region, the resort offers guests a blend of all-inclusive convenience and rock-star treatment. The property is managed by Salia Hospitality Management Group and owned by RCD Resorts, bringing professional hospitality expertise to every corner of the experience. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, this resort promises an experience that's anything but ordinary. The accommodations at Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya cater to different travel styles and group sizes, ensuring everyone finds their perfect retreat. Guests can choose from various room categories that range from standard accommodations to lavish suites, each designed with the brand's signature rock and roll aesthetic mixed with tropical elegance. Many rooms feature private balconies or terraces where you can sip your morning coffee while overlooking lush gardens, sparkling pools, or the Caribbean Sea itself. The higher-tier suites often include separate living areas, premium amenities, and enhanced services that make you feel like a genuine VIP. Families traveling with children will appreciate room configurations that provide extra space and comfort, while couples seeking romance can opt for accommodations with features like hydro spa tubs and king-sized beds. The decor throughout incorporates music memorabilia and contemporary furnishings that create an upbeat yet sophisticated atmosphere. Whether you're crashing after a day of activities or enjoying a lazy morning in bed, the rooms provide a comfortable sanctuary that balances style with substance. When it comes to dining, Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya takes the all-inclusive concept seriously with an impressive variety of restaurants and bars scattered throughout the property. The resort features multiple specialty restaurants that span the globe culinarily, offering everything from authentic Mexican cuisine to Italian classics, Asian fusion, and American favorites. Each restaurant brings its own ambience and culinary approach, so you can enjoy a different experience every night of your stay without ever leaving the resort grounds. The quality of food at all-inclusive resorts can sometimes be hit or miss, but Hard Rock aims to elevate the experience with skilled chefs and fresh ingredients. Beyond the sit-down restaurants, you'll find casual dining options perfect for quick bites between pool sessions or late-night cravings. The bar scene is equally robust, with multiple watering holes offering everything from tropical cocktails to premium spirits, craft beers, and fine wines. Whether you're sipping a margarita by the pool, enjoying a nightcap at a sophisticated lounge, or grabbing a cold beer at a swim-up bar, the beverage options keep the good times flowing from sunrise to well past sunset. The pool and beach areas represent some of the resort's most attractive features, giving guests plenty of options for soaking up the Mexican sun. Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya boasts 5 distinct pools spread across the property, each offering a different vibe and experience. Some pools cater to families with shallow areas and nearby activities, while others create a more tranquil atmosphere for adults seeking relaxation. The swim-up bars at select pools mean you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink, a convenience that guests consistently appreciate. Pool attendants circulate regularly to ensure you have fresh towels and to take drink orders, adding that extra touch of service that makes all-inclusive resorts so appealing. Beyond the pools, the resort's beachfront access is a major highlight, with soft white sand stretching along the Caribbean shoreline. The beach area features plenty of loungers and palapas providing shade, and the calm, clear waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Water sports and beach activities are typically available, allowing guests to try everything from kayaking to paddleboarding without additional charges, making it easy to stay active or simply float the day away in paradise. Active travelers will find no shortage of things to do at this resort, with activities designed to keep you moving and entertained throughout your stay. The fitness center offers modern equipment for those who want to maintain their workout routine even while on vacation, with cardio machines, free weights, and sometimes group fitness classes. Tennis courts provide opportunities for friendly matches, whether you're a serious player or just looking to volley around for fun. The resort often organizes daily activities ranging from beach volleyball to water aerobics, dance lessons, and poolside games that encourage guests to mingle and participate. For those interested in cultural experiences, the resort may offer activities like Spanish lessons, tequila tastings, or cooking demonstrations that give you a taste of Mexican culture beyond the beach. Sports enthusiasts can usually find organized tournaments or competitions, adding a friendly competitive element to the vacation. The variety ensures that whether you're a fitness fanatic or just want to try something new, there's always an option that doesn't require leaving the property or opening your wallet. The spa and wellness facilities at Hard Rock Hotel Riviera, Maya provide a sanctuary for guests seeking relaxation and rejuvenation during their stay. The Rock Spa, true to the brand's identity, offers treatments that blend traditional wellness practices with modern techniques in a setting that maintains that signature rock and roll edge. Guests can choose from an extensive menu of massages, facials, body wraps, and beauty treatments designed to pamper and restore. The spa typically features hydrotherapy areas with elements like saunas, steam rooms, and specialized showers that enhance the overall wellness experience. Couples can book side-by-side treatments in dedicated rooms, making it a popular choice for romantic getaways and honeymoons. Beyond individual treatments, many resort spas in this category offer wellness programs that might include yoga sessions, meditation classes, or fitness consultations for guests looking to focus on holistic health. The spa environment itself usually incorporates calming design elements that contrast beautifully with the energetic vibe of the rest of the resort, giving you a peaceful escape within your escape. While spa treatments typically come with additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package, many guests find them worth the splurge for special occasions or simply as the ultimate vacation indulgence. Families traveling with children will find that Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya caters well to younger guests with dedicated programs and facilities. The Kids Club provides supervised activities and entertainment designed for different age groups, giving children a chance to make friends and have adventures while parents enjoy some adult time. These clubs typically offer everything from arts and crafts to games, movies, and educational activities that keep kids engaged throughout the day. Teens often have their own dedicated space with age-appropriate activities like video games, music programs, and social events that prevent them from feeling bored or left out. The family-friendly pools and beach areas create safe environments where parents can relax while keeping an eye on their children. Many restaurants accommodate young diners with kid-friendly menus and early dining options that work with family schedules. The resort staff generally receives praise for being attentive to families' needs, whether that means providing high chairs, helping with strollers, or simply being patient and welcoming to guests of all ages. This family-friendly approach makes the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya a viable option for multi-generational trips where everyone from toddlers to grandparents can find something to enjoy. The location along the Riviera Maya puts guests within reach of some incredible attractions and experiences beyond the resort boundaries. Playa del Carmen, one of the region's most vibrant towns, sits nearby with its famous Fifth Avenue offering shopping, dining, and nightlife for those wanting to explore local culture. The ancient Mayan ruins at Cholum are close enough for a day trip, providing a fascinating glimpse into pre-Columbian history with the bonus of stunning coastal views. Adventure seekers can visit nearby cenotes, those magical natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear water that are unique to this region of Mexico. The resort is approximately 12 miles from Playa del Carmen Airport and about 18 miles from Cozumel Airport, making arrivals and departures relatively convenient. Eco-parks like Xcaret and Zelha offer full-day experiences combining nature, culture, and adventure, though these require advanced planning and additional cost. For those interested in world-class diving and snorkeling, Cozumel's reefs are easily accessible and rank among the best in the Western Hemisphere. While the resort itself offers plenty to keep you occupied, knowing these attractions are within reach adds value for guests who like to mix resort relaxation with off-property exploration. Overall, Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya delivers a solid all-inclusive experience that successfully blends the brand's music-themed identity with tropical resort luxury. The property's strengths lie in its variety of pools, beautiful beachfront location, diverse dining options, and the energetic atmosphere that sets it apart from more traditional resorts. Guests who appreciate the Hard Rock brand's vibe will feel right at home with the music memorabilia, themed events, and overall rock and roll aesthetic woven throughout the property. The all-inclusive model works well here, with most guests finding that the included amenities provide good value without constantly reaching for their wallets. On the potential downside, some visitors find that the resort size can make it feel crowded during peak seasons, and the energetic atmosphere might not suit travelers seeking complete tranquility. Service quality can vary as with any large resort, and while many staff members go above and beyond, occasional inconsistencies are reported. The property's age, having opened in 2014, means it's not brand new, though regular maintenance keeps things in good condition. For the right traveler, someone who wants activities, variety, and a fun atmosphere rather than intimate seclusion, this resort hits the mark quite well. What truly sets Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya apart from competitors is its commitment to the music experience that goes beyond simple theming. The resort regularly hosts live music performances and events that bring genuine entertainment value rather than just background ambience. Guests can often participate in music-related activities or programs that tap into the brand's rock and roll heritage in interactive ways. The swim-up bars and multiple pool environments create a social, energetic vibe that appeals to guests who want their vacation to feel lively and engaging. The property's scale allows it to offer more variety in dining and activities than smaller boutique resorts can provide, giving guests options without repetition. The brand recognition itself attracts a certain type of traveler who knows what to expect and appreciates the Hard Rock approach to hospitality. The beachfront location combined with the comprehensive all-inclusive package means guests can truly unplug from daily responsibilities and immerse themselves in vacation mode. These unique elements combine to create an experience that's distinctly Hard Rock, appealing to guests who want their beach vacations served with a side of rock and roll attitude. For groups and business travelers, Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya offers substantial event and conference facilities spanning nearly 90,000 square feet of meeting space. This makes the property suitable not just for leisure travelers but also for destination weddings, corporate retreats, and large group gatherings. The convention facilities can accommodate everything from intimate board meetings to large-scale conferences and celebrations, with professional event staff to coordinate logistics and technical requirements. Guest experiences at the resort often highlight memorable moments that elevate a stay from good to exceptional. Many visitors recall staff members who went out of their way to celebrate special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or honeymoons with unexpected touches. The resort's ability to handle special requests, whether dietary needs or activity arrangements, frequently earns praise from guests who felt genuinely cared for rather than processed. Sunset views from the beach create those picture-perfect vacation moments that guests remember long after returning home. The combination of attentive service, beautiful natural surroundings, and the fun, music-infused atmosphere creates an environment where positive memories are easily made. While no resort is perfect for everyone, Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya succeeds in delivering experiences that resonate with its target audience of travelers seeking an upbeat, comprehensive, and entertaining tropical getaway. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.